Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto add-on to factory screen on Audi SQ5 2014. So we have added a module that will allow us to have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto on the factory screen. We also added a touchscreen, so everything here you can use with your finger, so you don't have to worry about using your OEM buttons, which is a bit more difficult. You have here your music, every feature that is available on your Apple CarPlay, you will see it here. You will also have the Siri button, so if you hold, it's going to give you the option to say stuff to Siri, like text message and everything you can say with the regular Siri function. Now we're going to show you the Android Auto option. So we're going to unplug our Apple device, plug in our Android, and we're going to have the system showing. So you can see the Android Auto feature here. We can press on the navigation button. Press again, we have our Waze, the same as a regular Android. We got our home button in here. Okay, we got a music button. We got a touchscreen, so you can play around with your music. We also have here the phone button, and we have here the home button to go back to the home. Right now there's no home option. Go back in here, we have again in here. So the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.